I know you are excited to know about these amazing apps. But wait, do you know who created WhatsApp? Comment answers below and check if you are right or wrong, as I will give the answer at the end of video. The list I have made is not in any particular order. Just go with any app you would like to try. The first app on my list is Hike, and Hike is my personal favorite too. First of all, proudly, this is an Indian app. I like Hikeland. It's a magical place to hang out online. It is a virtual world where you can hang out with your favorite person or make new friends. Hike offers you Hikemoji, using which you can just click a selfie or manually create your own avatar. That's cool, right? You get awesome sticker recommendations as you type. You can keep your private conversations safe. You can lock your chats with a password or fingerprint. You get complete control over who can see your last scene, profile picture, moments and stories. You can even turn off last scene for specific people. And I know you are definitely gonna try that. You don't have to worry, as all your chats and calls are protected. You can send and receive photos, videos, documents, location and more. Hike have many other features like Hike Web, group chats, swipe to reply, dark mode and more. Hike is available both for iOS and Android. The second app on my list is Telegram. Telegram is one of the fastest messaging apps on the market. You can access your messages from all your devices at once. You can send media and files without any limits on their type and size. Everything on Telegram, including chats, groups, media, etc. is encrypted. You can create group chats for up to 2 lakh members, share large videos of any type and even set up bots for specific tasks. While providing an unprecedented array of features, Telegram has a clean interface. With its minimalist design, Telegram is lean and easy to use. Telegram is available both for iOS and Android. The third app on my list is Hangouts. Use Hangouts to keep in touch, message contacts, start free video or voice calls, and hop on a conversation with one person or a group. Include all your contacts with group chats for up to 150 people. Say more with status messages, photos, videos, maps, emoji, and stickers. Turn any conversation into a free group video call with up to 10 contacts. Call any phone number in the world and all calls to other Hangouts users are free. Connect your Google Voice account for phone calling, SMS texting, and voicemail integration. Keep in touch with contacts across Android, iOS, and the web, and sync chats across all your devices. Message contacts anytime, even if they are offline. Hangouts is available both for iOS and Android. The fourth app on my list is Indian Messenger. Again, I feel proud to say that it's an Indian app. Indian Messenger adds new features which will help to make new friends on chatting app. This app is the first to introduce hands-free chatting features in India. Now communication is more easy with these latest features. They have added voice typing and text to voice. Yes, you can make high-quality audio calls and high-quality video calls to your friends and family. You can add your favorite story of text, image, and video for 24 hours. You can search any users by their name, username, and contact number. You can send chat requests to any Indian Messenger user, and if other user accept that, then you can chat with them. Send and receive photos, videos, and voice messages. Send unlimited amounts of all kinds of files and documents of any format. Send one message to all of your friends at once by creating channel with unlimited members. You can set your profile privacy as per your choice. When words can't express it, say it with stickers. Share thousands of awesome, hilarious and fun stickers with your friends. It's boring to see only one color in apps. Now you can select your choice of color from 20 available colors. It's fun to use themes, you know. iOS users, it's a bad news for you that Indian Messenger is only available for Android. Fifth app on my list is JioChat. Again proudly, this is an Indian app. JioChat is a video calling app available on Android, iPhone and JioPhone. Now you can video call your family and friends on JioPhones from your smartphones. Additionally, experience video conferencing, voice calls and enhanced messaging with stickers and emoticons. Enjoy bite-sized videos on stories and follow channels of top brands to stay updated on news, astrology, entertainment and more. You can register on JioChat using any mobile number and then the app will use your mobile network or Wi-Fi as available to let you message, call and watch videos. JioChat works with some of the most renowned artists in India to create stickers that are fun and help you express your emotions in your chats. Hindi, Bangla, Kannada, Punjabi, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati and Odia stickers, they have got them all. They also have the best collection on Indian festival stickers. Chat with your favorite brands on JioChat, ask a question and get immediate reply, deals and customized offers from various channels across categories. You can choose your language on JioChat and use the app in Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Bengali, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam or Odia. JioChat is available both for iOS and Android. The sixth app on my list is Kik. Kik is way more than just messaging. It's the easiest way to connect with your friends, stay in the loop and explore all through chat. No phone numbers is required, just pick a username and choose who to chat with one-on-one and in groups. You can share pics, videos, GIFs, games and more. You can meet new friends with similar interests. And you know what? Kik is available both for iOS and Android. The seventh app on my list is Signal. In Signal, messages are delivered quickly and reliably, even on slow networks. Signal is optimized to operate in the most constant environment possible. Whether your friends live across town or across the ocean, Signal's enhanced audio and video quality will make your friends and family feel closer. If you refuse to see the light, you can just switch to the dark theme. You can choose custom alerts for each contact or disable noises completely. Use the built-in image editing features to sketch, crop and flip your outgoing photos. There's even a text tool so that you can add more words to the 1,000 that your picture is already worth. Signal is available both for iOS and Android. The eighth app on my list is Skype. Get together with 1 or 24 of your friends and family on HD video call, watch everyone as they smile and cry when you tell them we are engaged. Reach people instantly, send messages to your friends, grab someone's attention with @mentions and I am damn sure that you are gonna rock. Read and reply to your phone's SMS messages in Skype on your PC or Mac. Send photos and videos with your family and friends. Save shared photos and videos to your camera roll. Share your screen to make travel plans with friends or present designs to your team. Camera shy? Make voice calls to anyone in the world on Skype. You can also call mobile and landlines at low rates. Skype is available for both iOS and Android. The ninth app on my list is Snapchat. Snapchat is a fast and fun way to share the moment with friends and family. Snapchat opens right to the camera so you can send a snap in seconds. Just take a photo or video, add a caption and send it to your best friends and family. Express yourself with filters, lenses, bitmojis and all kinds of fun effects. You got a lot to discover in this app and have fun. Snapchat is available both for iOS and Android. The 10th and the last app on my list is Viber. Viber is completely free. All you need is a data plan or Wi-Fi connection and you are good to go. Make free international calls and send text messages, open a group chat and so much more. Thanks to end-to-end encryption, any type of information you share on Viber will always remain between yourself and the person you are talking to. Start a secret chat which will let you set a self-destruct timer for every message in your conversation so that after your message is read, it's automatically deleted from your recipient's phone. And I know you are gonna try this feature for sure. You can express yourself with GIFs and Viber stickers and start a Viber community with unlimited members. There are a lot more features which are worth a shot. Viber is available both for iOS and Android. And that's the end of the story. Do comment below your favorite WhatsApp alternative and I know you are eager to know who created WhatsApp. WhatsApp was founded by Jan Koum and Brian Acton, who had previously spent 20 years combined at Yahoo. WhatsApp joined Facebook in 2014 but continues to operate as a separate app with a laser focus on building a messaging service that works fast and reliably anywhere in the world. Okay then, informal brainies, catch you up later.